Hey guys, what's up? So today we're trying to convert anything into a GIF using your iOS device. So I do have two apps, guys. Two apps down here. I will have links for both of them. They're both inside the App Store, and they both do have like a pro version. You guys can download from the app, but there is a free. It is free to download, but like you just use it freely. But like I said, if you guys want to like remove ads or get more features, you guys will need to pay just a couple dollars for each of them. So I'm first off for GIF Toaster, and this app is pretty amazing. It allows you to convert anything to a GIF, a video, photo, burst, live photo, time-lapse, panorama, or GIF. I call it GIF. I think it's pronounced GIF. To anything. So I actually made a video, guys. It's a 4-second video. I'm gonna tap onto it. I'm just gonna tap on the video, tap on air on the top right. You can see you be brought with these options down here. You crop it, flip it, and do all that stuff. You guys, you can arrange it. So I'm just gonna arrange it to this part, just like that. You can play it, make sure it's the right part. Tap on the top right arrow, and then you guys could do a certain size. So you guys will need to pay for it to get the last 3 sizes. But you know, I'm just gonna do actual size, and then it's actually gonna start to convert it to a GIF. Like I said, guys, this was a video, and now it's gonna be a GIF or a GIF. Pretty cool. If you move your phone around, the loading bar moves around, which is pretty cool. All right, so now you can press on save. You can tap on Save to Photos app. Now it's gonna save to your gallery, guys, and it is a GIF or a GIF instead of a video. All right, so this is it right here, guys. It's not a video. This is the video because the play, and this is just a GIF or GIF. So that's the first app. Alright guys, second app is called IMG Play. Alright, so I tapped on my video again, and it plays the video. You guys can crop the video, so I was going to crop it to how you guys want it. You also can add like text and some stuff down here and crop the image. And you guys can do like a certain contrast, like a different like contrast of like the lighting and stuff like that. So after you're done with that, you just want to tap on next in the top right, and then you just tap on any of this stuff you want to save it. But I'm gonna save it to my gallery, so I'm just gonna tap on save, and then you can save the GIF low quality, GIF medium quality, GIF high quality, or you can save it to a video low quality, video high quality. So I'm gonna do GIF high quality, and then it's gonna loop, so you can loop it unlimited times, which is gonna loop every single time. But most GIFs or most GIFs or GIFs actually repeat one time. So I'll just do repeat one time. I mean, it doesn't really matter. And now I tap the home button, go to Photos app. It should be there, guys. I went to my Photos app, and it is right there, guys. So we're actually gonna swipe again, and it's gonna loop one time because that's just how much times you looped it. If you did unlimited loops or forever loops, that's gonna keep looping back and forth. But only did one time, so only looped one time. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is how you can convert anything, like any photo, video, burst, or whatever you want, to a GIF or GIF. And you also can convert GIFs to anything else, like a video, photo, or anything else, guys. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.